Hey everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we're going to look at some cool features on Samsung phones that not many people know about but are actually very useful for everyday use. Alright, let's jump right in and go through them one by one. The first feature is auto framing when recording video. This feature automatically adjusts the framing by following the movement of the person or object you're recording. So even if you move left or right, the subject stays centered in the frame. Auto framing is especially helpful if you often record videos by yourself. For example, for content creation, vlogging, or tutorial videos. To turn it on, it's very easy. Just open the camera settings in the bottom right corner, then enable auto framing. After that, tap on the subject you want to record, and the camera will automatically track the main subject. With this feature, you can focus on your content without constantly adjusting the camera position. Next, this feature is perfect if you want notifications on your Samsung phone to look more fun and lively. With this feature, incoming notifications don't just appear as regular pop-ups, but also come with eye-catching animations, with app icons shown in various effect styles. Besides making notifications easier to notice, these animated effects also make your phone feel more premium and modern. What's even more interesting, you can customize the animation style yourself, from the size and duration to the effects that suit you best. To enable the Edge Lighting Plus feature, you can install the Good Lock app from the Galaxy Store. If the Samsung phone you're using doesn't support installing Good Lock directly from the Galaxy Store, you can use an alternative method that we've already explained in detail in a separate video. You can check that video through the link in the top right corner of this video. After successfully installing Good Lock, install the Edge Lighting Plus module. Then enable the feature, select Set Custom Style, and choose the notification animation effect you like. With Edge Lighting Plus, notifications look more informative and more stylish at the same time. Next, this feature may look simple, but it's very useful for those of you who often run out of storage because of too many photos and videos in the gallery, even though some of them are stored more than once or duplicated. On Samsung phones, there's actually a feature that can detect and clean up duplicate photos automatically, and it can be accessed directly from the Gallery app. These duplicate photos usually appear because of repeated downloads or from apps like WhatsApp or other chat apps. So the same photo ends up saved multiple times, even though it's exactly the same image. To use this feature, just open the Gallery app, then open the menu in the bottom right corner, select Clean Out, and choose the Delete Duplicate Photos option. After that, you can choose which duplicate photos to delete, or simply select all of the suggested ones if they're exactly the same. Then the gallery will automatically clean up the duplicate photos. With this feature, removing duplicate photos becomes faster, safer, and more convenient, without needing any additional apps. Next, this feature is perfect if you often send photos from the gallery to WhatsApp and want a faster, more convenient way to do it. On Samsung phones, you can move photos directly from the gallery to the WhatsApp app without having to open the share menu one by one from each photo. To do this, simply open the gallery, then press and hold the photo you want to send with one finger. After that, use another finger to open the WhatsApp app while your first finger is still holding the photo. Then you can choose the chat you want to send it to. Once the chat is open, just release the photo you are holding with your first finger, and the photo will be ready to send to the selected chat. This feature can also be used to send more than one photo at the same time. Just select multiple photos at the beginning, then drag and drop them into the chat you want. As a result, sending photos becomes faster, more efficient, and much easier for everyday use. Next, there's a hidden feature that's very useful for those of you who want to compare two photos on the same screen. With this feature, you can display two photos from the gallery at the same time. For example, to compare before and after edits, or to decide which photo looks the best. This feature is very helpful because you can see the differences directly without having to switch back and forth between photos. What's even better, both photos can be zoomed in so you can see the details more clearly. To use this feature, you'll first need to enable Gallery Labs, which is hidden by default. To show the Gallery Labs features, open the Gallery settings. Select About Gallery, then quickly tap the version number several times until you see a message saying Gallery Labs is enabled. Next, go back to Gallery settings, scroll all the way down, enter the Gallery Labs menu, and enable the Open in Other Window feature. After enabling Gallery Labs, don't forget to close the Gallery app from the Task Changer or Recent Apps first. Then reopen the app to make sure the feature is fully active. Then tap the three-dot icon and select Open in Other Window. Now you can compare two photos at the same time on one screen. With this feature, choosing and checking photos becomes faster, more accurate, and more convenient. Next, there's also an interesting feature that you can enable to bring back the seek bar in the video player view, which was removed in the latest gallery update. This feature is very helpful if you want to find a specific part of a long video, for example when choosing the best moment, or checking the video content before sending it. For those of you who often navigate videos in the gallery and prefer the older classic seek bar layout, this feature or setting can bring back the video navigation experience you had before. To enable it, go to Gallery Settings, then scroll all the way down, enter the Gallery Labs menu that we activated earlier, and turn on the film strip in Viewer option. Then under Video Player mode on film strip, select Legacy Video Seek Bar. After this feature is enabled, close the Gallery app from the Task Changer or Recent Apps. Then reopen the app to make sure the feature is fully active. With this feature enabled, video previews in the gallery become clearer, more precise, and much more practical. Next, this feature may look simple, but it's very helpful if you often edit or manage photos and videos directly in the gallery. By enabling this feature, you can move the three-dot menu in the gallery, which normally appears in the top right corner, to the bottom right area. To enable it, you'll need to go into Gallery Labs. Then enable the Show menu in Viewer bottom option. Once it's enabled, all the important gallery menus will appear at the bottom of the screen, making navigation faster, more comfortable, and more practical for everyday use. Next, the eighth feature is perfect for those of you who want to control your Samsung phone without having to touch the screen too much. With the Voice Access feature, you can control your phone using voice commands. You can use it to open an app, scroll the screen, and even select menus on the display. This feature is especially helpful for accessibility and in everyday situations, like when your hands are busy or when you want to use your phone without touching the screen. What's interesting is that Voice Access can also show a numbered grid on the screen, so you can simply say a number to select a button or menu in that position, making selection much more accurate. To enable it, go to your phone settings, open Accessibility, then select Interaction and Dexterity, and turn on Voice Access. Once it's enabled, you can activate Voice Access by tapping Voice in the notification panel, and then start using voice commands to navigate, such as opening apps, going back, scrolling or swiping up and down, and selecting items on the screen using only your voice. With Voice Access, using your phone becomes easier and more convenient. For Samsung phone users, all of the features we've covered can help make everyday use faster, more practical, and more comfortable. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who also use Samsung phones. And if you have any feature requests you'd like to see in the next video, feel free to leave them in the comments. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.